Is your kitchen looking tired and in need of an update, but without having to go to the expense of replacing all your kitchen cupboards? There's a really simple and effective and inexpensive way to achieve this, simply by applying paint to your existing cupboard doors. How we'd go about this is, first remove your door handles, give the doors a light sanding, go over with soap and water to remove any existing grease and dust, mask off any areas not to be painted, and you're ready to start. So next we're going to use Crown Cupboard Makeover Primer. This will give us a really good base before we go on with our top coat of our chosen colour. Firstly, I'm applying the primer to the edges of the door, and then going onto the front of the door, I'm applying the primer from the top to the bottom, ensuring I've applied the primer evenly. Okay, so what I've done here is waited for my primer to dry, gone over it with a gloss coat, added a new handle, and wow, my new kitchen.